What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install VLC media player on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open the Play Store app and then go to the search bar and search for VLC media player. Now this is the media player with the orange cone. So tap on install to install the VLC media player. So it will take few minutes according to your internet speed to install this app. Now after installing, tap on open to use the VLC media player. Now from here, tap on next. Now you can tap on skip or next to allow or disallow permission of media. So tap on next to allow the permission and then turn on this allow permission button. And after that, tap on this back icon and tap on next, and then again tap on next and tap on allow notification permission. Now you can choose which type of theme you want to use, and after choosing, tap on done, and then you will be able to use the VLC media player. So that's how you can install and use VLC media player on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.